This what?
Swap meeting.
I went home last time with nothing but praise for the organisers, the meal, the volunteers, and just the general.
Motorcycle only.
Yeah.
The best in Australia. The fact that it is motorcycle only,
You're
strictly
not restricted by
motorcycle
council
only.
rules or
Fabulous.
you know, it's your property
Fantastic.
here, and yeah.
Camaraderie is great. The venue is great.
Absolutely
The
fantastic.
effort that all the people from this club put
The
in
best motorcycle swap
in
meet
Australia.
in Australia.
And it's a real motorcycle swap meet.
It is.
If you go to England, they know how to do it. If you're here in Australia, there is no other. If you don't come to Llanelly Swap, you haven't been to a real motorcycle swap meet.
Traveling west on an eastern heartache, lost touch with the reason, found another trend that I could break to feel more like myself.
This swap meet is first time I've been here, mate. It's bloody fantastic. Look at all the good stuff.
Yeah,
brings
great.
back a lot of memories. You catch up with people that you knew, you know.
Great turnout.
Great turnout.
And,
yeah.
Bendigo Historic Motorcycle Club have done it again.
Yeah.
It's a great venue.
Yeah, food and the catering is perfect. We had a meal here last night. You couldn't fold it. We had 160 people for a meal or something.
Crazy, isn't it?
Yeah, absolutely crazy.
No, they've done a good job, and we'll all be back again next year.
Hear that train pounding on my brain. It's coming to take me away. Lord, it's coming to take me away. Can hear that horse riding down that plain, and Lord, it's coming to take my name. Lord, it's coming to take my name. Dreaming of places.
What do you like thinking about this swap meet?
It is fantastic.
Hear that train pounding on my brain. It's coming to take me away. Lord, it's coming to take me away. Can hear that horse riding down that coming to take my name. Lord, it's coming to take my name. Dreaming of places, wide open spaces. I've been suffocating here too long. I can't afford ya, California. I'll get to you sometime. Way down that line, way down that line. Hear that train pounding on my brain, and you were rocking and reeling too. Yeah, you were rocking and reeling too. Can see your face all around this place, and Lord, it's making me cry again. Lord, it's making me cry again. Dreaming of places, wide open spaces. I've been suffocating here too long. I can't afford ya, California. I'll get to you sometime. Way down that line, way down that line. I see that train and it looks lonely. I see that train and it looks lonely. I see that train and it looks lonely, 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 lonely. Yeah, yeah. Lonely, yeah, yeah. Dreaming of places,
What do you think of this swap, mate?
open spaces.
Sensational
I've been
as always.
suffocating
You've done a great job, haven't you?
here too long. I can't afford ya, California. I'll get to you sometime. Way down that line, way down that line. Get to you
Whereabouts are you from?
Castrahan.
Castrahan. What do you think about this swap, mate?
It's a great, probably one of the better ones you'll go to.
It is, yeah. It's well set up, and the club do a fantastic job.
Yeah, and yeah, all very friendly.
way down that
Excellent venue. There's a fair bit of overflow out the car.
way down that line, way down that line.
Righto, same as every other week. If you like what you see, like, subscribe, tell your friends, tell everybody. Let's bring Hagon's back.